Before the Goa Assembly election, lots of politicians were seen in the fight against double tracking and coal. Have the party politicians abandoned the fight against double tracking and coal? No, says Goencho Ekvott founder member Orville Rodrigues. Some politicians have supported us in our meetings. One lawyer politician is even fighting our case, he said. Even ruling MLAs have supported us but did not want to come out in the open due to party discipline. Talking about the FIRs for the very first time, Orville Dourado said they had gone to the spot where the JCP was for only 5 minutes for inspection. Regarding the stoning incident, he said, "We could not say if it was fabricated or it actually happened." Filing of cases against anti double trucking activists to intimidate people. Goencho Ekvott founder member Orville Rodrigues says the people's movement will continue. Former Environment Minister Alina Saldana said the people's movement would continue and she too will, since Matani Saldana would have been agitated and would have been fighting with the people on the ground as he always did.
See, आमचे न्हू आता last time when we had a meeting, okay, हिंगा वेल्सा meeting केल्ली आमी January 11th. So ते दिवस main politician एक MLA येयल्लो, that was Vijay Sardesai. Okay, he came and this. And after that, there was other protests in Velsaung. At that point of time, GPCC President Amit Patkar येयल्लो, Elton येयल्लो, Captain Virat, Moreno, Rebelo, Savio De Silva, Colenso म्हणटा आमचे बरा आहात. आणि कोण जाय तेसको आमचे एवर्सन वालीस येयल्ले. So it is not that we were abandoned as such.
Oh, you can mention that.
Oh, yes. I can mention to you all the prominent this.
Yeah,
Yuri has come.
all these people supported you at this
Yeah.
meeting, you know.
Yeah, Yuri has come also to the this as opposition leader.
Okay. Okay.
Poir देखो येल्लो Yuri येल्लो हिंगा.
You can tell. You can tell that. We are not saying negative.
I will name those leaders whoever came.
Yeah.
They have not come. They have not come.
Yeah.
See, we had invited Venzi. We had invited Virish Borkar. We had invited De Silva, so Cruz. Personally, I went and invited them on behalf of Goencho Ekvott to attend the meeting. They did not come even. Yuri and this fellow, Yuri and Elton, they had gone for the World Cup that time. So they were away. And Carlos Faria, he is representing us in the court, actually, Goencho Ekvott, our petitions on behalf of the villagers. So we had gone to inspect with the local punch, ward punch, and also Alenso was there, and another, that Camille. All four have been named.
Okay.
All four have been other accused.
So you have gone only to inspect that place?
Yeah, we went and we were there for 5-6 minutes. Only one JCB driver was there. Nobody was there at that point of time. At least I did not see.
And this stoning, they have created this?
I don't know. Maybe it happened after we left. Because see, the whole village is agitated. Whether they have created or I cannot say. You understand? No? See, unless I have credible information, I will not state anything. Okay. But when we were there, only the gypsy with one fellow was there, the driver. And he was not even working. He was just lying, sitting in his cabin. And
so you were there only for 5 minutes?
Yeah, I was there only for 6 minutes maybe, yeah.
Okay.
And we inspected and we decided that the next day we will write to the disaster management because there were sandbags put there. MLAs have also called me to, extend support.
Yeah.
Maybe for certain reasons, even from the ruling, I've got this of support that they are with. But I cannot state it publicly because see, problems are there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, the goal of filing, issuing summons by the railway police to the activists is basically to frighten people.
Yeah.
And to ensure that they do not participate in the struggle.
Yeah.
But then, see, this is not a struggle for the sake of fighting. Yeah. This is a struggle to actually, protect their rights to a healthy living, to a safe living. Okay. Now, for example, they were upset that the Nala has been blocked by the construction of a wall. which as a result, the water that comes through the nala, the sea water,
Yeah.
is blocked.
Yeah.
And when water is blocked, it is bound to overflow.
Yeah.
And it has overflown into the houses, onto the road.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, this is before the monsoon season. So, imagine what can happen during the monsoon season, no?
Okay.
And I think it is the duty of the government, the responsibility of the government of the day, to ensure safe living to the people of the state.
So the fight will continue, you are saying?
I would believe the fight would continue because they are fighting for their life. They are fighting for their rights to live.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I think the fight will continue, but I cannot speak on their behalf. Has the government carried out a survey to find out how many houses will be actually destroyed with the landing of the second track inside the compound of the houses? Okay?
Yeah.
And what is the government going to do to ensure safe living for these people? What are the alternatives that the government has in mind? I said, I'm not the savior of Goa. I'm just trying to do a little bit what Matani would have done had he been here today.
Yeah. Yeah.
He would have gone crazy and he would have fought like no man's business.
Yeah.
But he's not there. And in his memory, I try my little bit, which I don't know how effective it is, but I do my best.
Freddy Fernandez for Herald TV.